Hi friends, good morning everyone. I used to get one comment or a few times questions like what are the departments mainly use SAP MM? Which department can use SAP MM? Let's take it the popular departments in a company and then we can highlight where MM can be used by those departments. So the top priority we need to give always two departments. One is purchasing, second one is logistics. So we have two departments who use SAP MM. At the most, one is purchasing, second one is we call like a stores or logistics, even warehouse department. So different names people call with minor differences. So these are the departments. These two are the top. So purchasing team involved in creating the purchase order and negotiating with the vendors, RFQ, creating different type of purchase orders like consumption based procurement, a consumption based stock purchase order, or they can create purchase orders like import, subcontracting, different special procurement, all PO creation, RFQ, contract. These documents mainly created by the purchasing. So let me highlight key things what they generally do it. They can create is it visible? They can create RFQ. It's too light. Okay, they can use RFQ, contracts. They work with contract, and mainly they do the purchase order. The PO, they have multiple types of POs. They can have a consumption based, a special procurement related PO. They can do those kind of things, but mainly it will be done for the RFQ, contract, PO, negotiation with the vendor. Those things purchasing team will do at high level. Okay. Even the purchasing team can involve for the pricing also. So the pricing, but few companies, the pricing master like purchasing for record, those things purchasing team only can handle, or few companies may have a separate master data team who will take care about the materials, vendors, purchasing for record, customers, all the master data team. So that is little bit, but high level these are the things can be done. Stores or warehouse, they do the goods receipt. When the stock comes, they do the goods receipt, and they do any transfers. If you want to do any kind of transfer, right, it can be transfer posting or stock transport order. If they have done it, then the remaining things they do transfers. And goods issue to any other department or scrapping, all the kind of things they do. And even they do the physical inventory process. So if you take it like overall MM activities, the stores team is occupying the more activities, and second, purchasing. What other departments can use MM? Like I mentioned that we have the utilization of less utilization, but they still use it. Any department, for example, maintenance. Let's take it. There may be a maintenance department or admin, HR, but these are all departments, mostly admin, HR. So you can give all kind of things in one place. So maintenance, who generally create more requisitions, maintenance or engineering team. If for example, if you are working for any kind of mechanical companies or manufacturing companies, mostly that engineering department, or they call it like a maintenance or else mechanical team or engineering team, okay, whatever they different activities, maybe mechanical will be better, mechanical or electrical departments, any kind of departments, even HR, admin, okay, HR, admin, even quality, okay. Production I will keep it separately. So quality and these all departments generally create one document, that is, what is the document? They create purchase requisition. Mostly these department, they can directly create a purchase requisition when they need certain kind of materials, and also they can create reservation. Okay, mostly I'm explaining based on my experience, personal experience in different businesses. The reservation, they create what material, how much quantity they need it, and they will send this reservation to the stores team. So the stores team can issue the goods against reservation, or else they can create directly the purchase requisition by mentioning that from which vendor they have to buy the respective material. Directly they can create a purchase requisition. So reservation, purchase requisition, mostly they will use it. Why I'm not mentioned that production, another one. Production can have any additional kind of activities, so they may request for mostly they also use the reservation. So I think I can mention here production, no need to segregate it. Production. But as a production officer, my career, I started production. I used to create mostly reservations. I used to create, and few are related to the stationaries, and very few related to the raw materials. Because mostly for raw materials, based on the production order, we used to get the stock from the stores department. So these people will have a production order every day, or next one week or next 3 days. What are the production plan? Those all open production orders information used to be shared with warehouse or stores team. Based on the production order, what are the components, that quantities they send to our production department. That's what happens. Mostly stationary items we use the reservation. If you go for a transactions, it is MB21, this is ME51N. Mostly they involve these all other departments involved for these kind of things. Okay, maintenance, mechanical, production, or even finance. Okay, everyone needs that, any kind of stationary items and all, they use these things. Purchasing, taking care about the overall procurement. Stores, they're taking care about the inventory activities. You may get a doubt who will take care about the material master creation and vendor master purchase info record. That's why I was didn't mention, if the company has clearly maintained any kind of master data team. For example, they have put one kind of a team who will take care about the master data. So it's mostly kind of a internal IT kind of thing. Okay, not internal IT, they dedicated a team who will take care about the master data team. So they can take care about materials. Okay, so if they don't have a specific master data team, of course someone will share, mostly purchasing team or sales team. Okay, so they will take care about the material, vendor, customer. Okay, and any kind of other bank account master, bank master. There are a lot of other different masters in each module, right? Mostly the master data team can take care, and if they really go like this, then they can see. And even mechanical or sales team, anyone can create requisitions and all. Okay, even sales teams, sometimes they may do any goods issue against this goods issue, but they will do against the sales order. So it means against outbound delivery, but a few companies will have a sales team can handle, but we even logistics team only can take care about the goods issue, and even that goods issue against outbound delivery or orders, mostly the logistics team will take care. So it will have some kind of a sales flavor and purchasing flavor. They receive and also they will sell. So during sold, what kind of activities they do. So this is the way how different departments use SAP MM. Okay, I tried with few real-time examples and the cases. I hope you got an idea what exactly happened and what is the role of SAP MM in a industry, and how does SAP MM can impact on the regular business process, what benefits we are going to get it. If you like this video, give your comment, and if you have any other scenarios, or if you have any kind of requirements like so can you tell this kind of business scenario. So these are all not specific to ECC or S4HANA or any kind of system or any other ERP other than SAP. So everyone can relate to these kind of real-time scenarios, what exactly happens in each department and what kind of role the respective modules can play. I hope you liked it and you got some knowledge. Keep sharing, and if you come to our channel for the first time, click on subscribe button. I hope it will be helpful. There are 500 plus videos are there. You can go through our playlist to find exactly a specific subtopic, and you can find the video. Keep learning, keep sharing. Have a good day.